So people, if you don't know by now, Lisa Hyper has been arrested, and last night we never hear anything from her, but earlier she went live from jail saying that they lock her up for last night and she have business to go America and they won't let her out. Check this out.
Go America go do my business and then no one let me go. Go America go do my business and then
Social media reacting to Lisa's meltdown and her arrest and her current mental state. This is Slick White Line blaming looking at some people that who should have been blamed and doing better to try to help her mental health. Check this out.
People in America BMW on the wrong. I know God well Lisa Hype nobody that buy no BMW. I want to put both on BMW and give Lisa Hype key and make she take picture and post it. On the wrong. You see the taxi man we are carry on Lisa Hype every minute, you're wrong too. You know God well Lisa Hype not have no money for pay no taxi fare and you carry a haul boat. You see, I tell them on our social media, on know what go on. On the wrong if you put Lisa in the place. The feel of them on the wrong too. All on the wrong. And you know when I wrongest person right now at this present time, at this present moment, Minister Marianal, you're busy a baptized dog when Lisa Hype need help. You need to there Lisa Hype foot right now and pray for her and the entire from left to right. And free taxi man again. The next time you pick up Lisa Hype, no carry her to the airport because you know she not a ticket for fly out. All you need to do is carry her to an institution where them give her the mad injection. Where make she walk like robot and slow her down. I saw you go better she walk slow than not crash out right now for everybody. Nobody laugh, no pray.
Dead. Yeah man, I'm not plea for Lisa Hype man, trust me. I'm not put up on a little price here man, no joke thing man. You don't have to do it in the public eyes, you know, just do it from my heart. And pray for her right crazy, because I tell you, right now I see her so Lisa get arrested, they just carry me back in her memories. That's why I'm all a boss. So.
I love your voice. You have led me through the...
So while all of that was going on with the whole Lisa VYBZ KARTEL Spice, everything that was going on the internet, Vanessa Bling was busy buying a house. So congratulations are in order for her. Big up herself. She's always stayed out of the mix, quiet. You know, she know, no mix up. And you notice how she dressed? Moderate, nice little reserved girl. She has done well for herself. Very proud of her. Big up herself, Vanessa Bling.
Truly anything she want a DJ. Get me have the checkbook, So me know how much money run and them something there, You see me? It's me. If him did that take care of me like that, hold on for the 13 years. She weak, brother. Stop going like say how good as. She weak, and that if you come out come blood clot admit how she shame you and make you look like pussy in the streets, and that if you come out come talk. Yeah, hide it. Everybody don't know, cause Dan talk to Dan. Everybody don't know. She make you look like a laughing blood clot stuck in the Godfather world. In the mafia world, she make you look like a pussy. And me there you defend you and you still a big her up. You big up the girl we tell the people them say if she know why you come from prison, you can't come. You a clown youth. You a clown.
So after Lisa Hype did rant about that Shorty, of course, you know she go post some subliminal shots via her Instagram story, right? You remember the other day when she did say about when in dead and gone, who go take care and kids them. Remember I know you put in them adult. So Shorty post up one meme video and it say, before you mess with my kids, you need to know who their mama is. The next one where she posted Cardi B a laugh, but in the caption it says, They mad because they can't figure out how you're still getting blessed after they've created fake narratives, lied, and slandered your name. And as you can see, Cardi B just a laugh. So obviously, I know who that for. But tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Guys, remember to like the video.
Top of the morning, Gaza Nation. Let's talk mental health. A lot of people in Jamaica don't talk about mental health. It's a taboo subject. Nobody now associate themselves with certain aspects of mental health when all of us go through it every day. We all go through mental health issues. We all have mental health problems. I mean, some more than others. But it is what it is, you know. And we as a nation need to stop letting it be taboo to talk about it. We have to check up on one another. Because sometimes you don't know where a man go through. You don't know where a woman go through. Because upon the outside, they must show a smiling face. You know, because life tough, you know, so people have to just put on them best face and face the world. But sometimes they might go through issues where them just need somebody to check on them. Or, you know, especially for man, because you know, man love going like, oh, we tough and everything good and, you know. But sometimes deep inside a voice I cry out. Sometimes if you look, oh, John was starting to tell the people it's real. But you know, sometimes we have to check on one another. We have to check on one another. There are boundaries, yes, because you know, I look like we infringe on a man's business, but if a man is your brethren or a woman is your sister, and you see like something will go wrong, check on them. But I mean, the world to them is it. They might even save all their life, Jay.
Oh, no, remember when Kartel went to that video there? I thought he was talking about himself and, you know, being able to navigate yourself after being in a box for 13 years. I thought he was talking about himself. But then, you know, looking back at it, he's mentioned sister, brethren. Then you start to wonder, You start wonder if at least I did that talk. Did he see the signs? Or did he see something? Because if he did see something, he should have helped her for the time then. But then maybe he's never seen her in this much of an episode. But, well, I don't know. A part of me wonders if she's really gone mad. And then another part of me wonder, is this the reaction of a frustrated woman that was led on and has a broken heart? But then again, it's not like it's a secret, say I can't tell and see them there. Everybody knows, but then, you know, and then she always bring down Shorty, or when the man Shorty left. You know, sometimes you wonder, is it bad mind? Is it a woman that has is you know, lashing out from being led on? Is it that she was promised something and she never got it? Is it because she basically watch him fly all over the place with somebody else and not her? What did Kartel promise Lisa? She off her meds? Because you notice that she only act out like this since she gone foreign. So what is the problem? Hopefully them can, we really don't want this, but as you guys can see, it's been 2 weeks. It happened from the 3rd of February or 2nd of February, whichever day Grammys was. She have to go get her meds and hopefully she calm down after that and then address whatever the issue is. If it is Kartel, obviously deal with it after the internet. Because as you hear she say, she having belly bottom, she having ticket, and if you don't know what that mean, she was there when all the mess was going on with the murder trial. Whether it's true or not, she knows something. And all if it not true, the fact that she can say it and let it out in the air is very dangerous, both for she and Kartel. So we just have to pray for her. But that's my 2 cents on the situation, guys. Thanks for watching. Like the video, leave a comment, and share. Also, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss when I post my videos or upload my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.